Day 3, e-learning maths. We're going to be figuring out the area of a parallelogram. But let's bring that back. What's a parallelogram? Well, four-sided shapes, okay, with two sets of lines that run parallel to each other. A bit like this. Set 1, you see, on the side, run parallel. Set 2, top and bottom, run parallel. If the top's 5 centimeters, this one's 5 centimeters at the bottom. If this side is 4 centimeters, you guessed it, this side is 4 centimeters. Mr. Purdy, what's parallel? Well, parallel is basically lines that run exactly alongside each other but are never going to touch. Think of train tracks. Train tracks run parallel to each other, straight, and the train goes down them. They're never going to suddenly go ugh, and cross over, because the train wheels will do that and it won't be good for anyone. So train tracks run straight, parallel, same distance between them, okay? Never going to touch. So we've got our parallelogram. We know it's a parallelogram because it has two sets of parallel sides. Parallel sides are sides that stay the same distance apart and are never going to touch. Okay, we've got this. If this was a rectangle, it'd be really simple to find out the area. We'd just do length times base. We can't do that here because it's slightly slanted and squished. Okay, so we need to work out area using base times height. Where's the height, Mr. Purdy? Well, I'll show you. You take the corner, one of the top corners, okay? This one is best because it can go into the shape. This one would come down here and it'd be really difficult. So I'm going to draw a straight line down to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see my lovely straight line? And actually that's made a right angle. So I'm going to put the right angle in. It's important. The right angle has to go in the shape. Now, the reason I've drawn that straight line is because it's given me a height. Okay, it's given me a straight line which I can measure. So I'd get my ruler out and measure that. I haven't got my ruler with me. So Mr. Purdy's going to work it out as it's not quite going to be 4 because that 4 centimeters is stretched because it's going in a different direction. I'm going to say it's a little bit less. I'm going to estimate for the sake of this. I'm going to say it's 3 centimeters. So I've now got my height. What's the base? What did Mr. Purdy tell you? Of course, it's the same as the top. It's the bottom, so it's 5. So I've got 5 times 3. Five times 3, you're year 6. This is relatively easy. It's 15. Is that answer correct? I hope you're going, no, Mr. Purdy. That's 15 what? Not 15 donkeys, 15 hats, 15 rats. We measured in centimeters. Is that correct? I'm 75% of the way there. What am I forgetting? Area. What am I measuring with area? Area, I'm measuring squared units, squared. Perfecto. That is how you find the area of a parallelogram. Follow it on my iMaths. You've got the steps. Do the homework. Log it. Brilliant work, guys.